Good morning, students. I welcome you in my class. So, we are doing revision for the exams. So, we have revised till now 5 chapters. Now, today we will start with the new chapter, that is chapter number 6, that we already recently we read this chapter, the green plants. As the name itself telling us what is there in this chapter. In this chapter, we read about the plants, the leaves, how do plants make their food, and interdependence of plants and animals. So let's start. What is the first topic in this chapter? The first topic we read was leaf. First topic was leaf. There are many plants on the earth, and that the plants they are identified from their leaves only. Most plants they have green colored leaves due to the presence of a substance that is called chlorophyll. Due to the presence of this substance, plants look green to us. ये leaves में present होता है, इसकी वजह से ही जो plants हैं वो हमें green दिखते हैं. Different plants have different types of leaves. Their shapes differ from plant to plant. So plants they are identified by looking at the leaves of the plants. Now next is we are going to study the structure of the leaf, the parts of the leaf, कि how leaf looks like, कैसी होती है लीफ की शेप. This is the main topic in this chapter, the part of the leaf. This is the flat part of the leaf, and this is called leaf blade. Next, there is a vein in the center that is called main vein. Then there are several side veins. These are the side veins. These are the main parts of a leaf. The flat part of the leaf is called leaf blade. The central vein is called the main vein, and the side veins they are the side veins. Now, leaf blade it varies from plant to plant. Some leaves of the plants have very broad leaf blade, ज़्यादा broad होता है, कई का होता है narrow. So from this we can guess कि what type of plant it is. Next, what is the function of these veins? These veins they help in the transportation of substances to and from the leaf. As leaf it is the main producer of food. Leaf में ही food बनता है plant का, तो यहाँ से food बाकी parts को लेकर जाना, जहाँ water या minerals को root से लेकर आना, that is the function of the veins. ये vein यहाँ से food side vein से बाकी parts को जाएगा. It is written veins help in the transportation of substances to and from the leaf. Then underside of the leaf, leaf के जो नीचे वाला part होता है उसमें openings होती हैं. That openings are called stomata. But you have to learn these parts of the leaf and functions. What is the function of each part of the leaf? Underside of the leaf have small openings called stomata. Now, what is the function of stomata? Stomata allows air to let in and let out. जो ऑक्सीजन बाहर जाती है प्लांट से या कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वो लेते हैं, that is taken in or given out through the stomata. वो stomata के थ्रू ही आती है या जाती है. So this is the function of stomata. The stomata let air flow in and out from the leaf. So these are the main parts of the leaf. Leaf has leaf blade, main vein, side veins, and underside have small openings that is called stomata. Next is the functions of a leaf. What is the function of a leaf? A leaf of a plant makes food and that is it is called the food factory of the plant. जो भी खाना बनता है प्लांट का वो लीफ में बनता है. Why it is made in leaf? Because leaf has the green substance called chlorophyll that absorbs sunlight that is required or needed for making food. जो फूड बनाने के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है सब्सटेंस क्लोरोफिल, वो लीफ में ही प्रेजेंट है ग्रीन कलर का. दैट इज वाई लीव्स दे आर कॉल्ड द फूड फैक्ट्री ऑफ द प्लांट. नेक्स्ट इज लीफ, इट हेल्प्स टू लेट एयर इन एंड आउट. क्योंकि स्टोमेटा है जो लीफ में ही प्रेजेंट है, तो जो एयर आती है या बाहर जाती है दैट इज ऑल्सो गिवन आउट थ्रू द स्टोमेटा. सो इट हेल्प्स अ प्लांट टू let air in and out through the stomata. Now next is how do leaves make food? Leaves food कैसे बनाते हैं? So there are some raw materials for making food. As we make vegetable in our house, for making vegetable we need some ingredients. Suppose we are making dal. What are the ingredients needed by us? We will be needing दाल चाहिए हमें, then salt, chili powder, your turmeric powder and anything else, water, you need water for preparing it. So these the things that are required to make it that is called the raw material. उसे बोलते हैं raw material. So the same thing plants make food, and to make food, to prepare food, they also require or they also need raw material. So which are the raw materials required by the plants for making food? That is the first is the light, second is the water, and the third one is the carbon dioxide. Now from where these raw materials come? अब ये raw materials आएंगे कहां से? First is light. Light will come from sunlight. Sunlight से आएगी. And who will absorb that light? Chlorophyll that is present in the leaves. वो chlorophyll absorb करेगा light को. Water. Water will come from soil. And who will absorb? Roots will absorb that water. And from the roots, it will go to the stems, and from stems to different parts of the plant. Next comes the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide will come from the environment. As we animals, they are taking oxygen from the plants and releasing carbon dioxide. So that carbon dioxide will be taken by the plants. हम ऑक्सीजन ले रहे हैं and carbon dioxide रिलीज करते हैं. So वो कैसे जाएगी प्लांट्स में? थ्रू दी स्टोमेटा. वो स्टोमेटा के थ्रू वो अंदर चली जाएगी. Now when food is prepared, जब फूड प्रिपेयर हो जाता है तब क्या होता है? Then oxygen is given out through the stomata. Before the preparation, जब preparation होती है फूड की, then carbon dioxide is taken in, and when the food is totally prepared, then oxygen is given out. Oxygen वो, then that oxygen we will take and animals will also take. Now they have told the functions of the stomata that we know that they take in air and give out air. They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. That is the first function of stomata. Second function of stomata is they remove water vapor and oxygen after photosynthesis from the plant. You must have seen some water droplets on the leaves. So that water droplets that are coming, that water vapors, they are coming out through the stomata. And the oxygen that is released after photosynthesis, जो खाना बनाने के बाद जो ऑक्सीजन रिलीज होनी होती है, that is also coming out through the stomata. Next is what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process to make food by the plants. It is a process by which leaves use sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into food called photosynthesis. Photo means light, as food is prepared in the presence of light. Photo means light. Synthesis means to put together, means किसी चीज को इकट्ठा करना in the presence of light. So what is photosynthesis? The process by which leaves use sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into food is called photosynthesis. So this is the main term in this chapter that you should know. What is photosynthesis?